today I'm making this video in regards to making lock extensions. And if you can see here, I'm making lock extensions. This one, of course, is longer than this, and I will explain why, and I'll explain what type of hair, what type of tools that you need, and it's simple, trust me. I have locks, but I also have the crochet method to make it longer. I'm sick and tired of this style. All I can do is lock them. The thing is, my hair at the root was interlock, but now I wanted it locked, and now I want it interlock. I don't know. I'm just confused, y'all. So, husband wants longer locks. So what we're gonna do is create them. Started doing this one, and I like the outcome. I think I need to make it a little bit thicker. We're gonna show you how. So, in a case scenario, this is the type of hair that you will need. It's the Afro Kinky Bulk, not necessarily this pack, but you will definitely need this type of hair. Inside, it's gonna come with the tube, but if you get it like the bulky, it'll come like a ball or whatever. Just pinch off based on the length or inch that you're looking for or whatever. So once I took it off, it says I already sectioned in rubber bands. I snatched 2 of them off. This is 24 inch. So with the 24 inch, I cut it in half, right? And I only cut it in half just to see how it would look. So that's this. Just cutting it in half. That made this 12 inch. Not sure if it's 12 inch, but if you cut 24 in half, right? This is perfect for like me, because once I take the extensions out of my hair, the crochet extensions, I can interlock this into my hair. My hair is probably like right here, and it'll be perfect, right? Not for a dude. This is too much for a dude. So for me, or for him, I cut it in half again. I cut this in half again, and it made this. So I don't know how. However, this is longer than this. If you don't believe me, let's. So yeah. It's crazy it did that, but yeah. Anywho, moving forward. And that's from the short pack. I didn't extend it, I just did it. However, only thing you're gonna need is these 2 tools. Some scissors to cut it in half, and this tool to do the interlocking like you would do on your regular hair. Yeah. I mean, I can sit here and do it, I guess, show an example, but you may not see up close like I would. So you'll take it, grab some of the amount of hair that's already of your liking, of your choice. His is a little thicker than what I was grabbing. That's why I say I probably need to do a little bit more thicker. It might be too thick. All right, so this seems about right. I didn't do anything with it, so what we're gonna do, we gotta do the ends. You know how you do a needle and thread? Same thing. To put it through here, the feather, right here. So you're gonna push it through, like so. And you're gonna wrap, so that way it won't fall off when you start doing your interlocking method, right? I'm just wrapping around the end of the needle. This ain't even the hard part. Technically, it's no hard part. It's really easy. And so this is what you're gonna be left with, right? You take it and you just push it through like so, like the middle. Boom, interlock. You keep going. Interlock. And after a while, it'll start looking like an interlock lock. I have a lot of these for him. You ain't gonna have me do nothing. I'm over here recording, and he's talking about his GTA game, y'all, because, you know, he's the gamer for now. So, as you can see, first of all, you all in here. See? And as you're going, you're going to see that your bottom is going to start slipping. You might just want to keep wrapping it around the needle. Y'all, we funny. It wasn't my intentions today. But you just keep going. You keep going. And if you find yourself seeing that you see a Y or a gap inside of that, you just go through the opposite way like you do the 2-point interlocking. All my interlock people know what that means. And it'll tighten up that area. So yeah, the mother freak. Yeah, I'm gonna go say something to her in a minute. You just keep going. And I'm glad I'm showing you guys this. And I'm not camera shy. I don't care what I look like. Makeup on, makeup off. Y'all see me. It's the real me. No filter. So, yeah. So happy I'm doing this with you guys. Or showing you guys. Somebody showed me. And I watched a video one time. I will like to give them credit. I forgot their name. I will go back in my watch history and definitely find that girl. Because, baby, you deserve all the credit. See? It went from looking like a patch of hair, y'all, to interlock. And of course, this will be the end. I'm not done, but I just want to show you something. This part of the lock, you can cut off if you don't want it to be curly or whatever. And this part is okay to leave that much because that's the part you're going to interlock into your hair. And when I get to that stage, once I get a lot of them done, I can show you how I'm connecting them. So that way you guys can see how to install them. But yeah, this is like bomb. I don't pay nobody to do our locks. We do them ourselves. I had my sister start mine and I started his. Of course, because, you know, I can't really see my parts. I don't care how many mirrors you need. I don't care what it is. I'm short, first of all, so my arms are short. So, but I'm not going to be sitting there trying to, did I get it? But when it comes to interlocking myself, I got it down pat. I just feel, put the thing in the needle, and keep it going until I get to the root. I'm like, oh, okay, boom. Like I said, last time I decided to do the actual lock roll or whatever y'all want to call it, it's locked. It's not interlocked at my root right now. And it was for the style. Now I'm kind of like over it. I had to go in the middle of one, as I was telling you guys earlier. And the tighter it is, I mean, it looks good too. I'm just going back, filling in the Y's. Like, if you can, you might can. It's a gap right there, so I'm gonna fill it. So I just go right in between to close it, just like you would any other. It's closed. Love it, y'all. Love it. And this is like either human hair. This is a human hair quality. So I like it. And I ain't had to worry about him talking about my hair for a while. Once I'm done, because he got color. This is all 1B. Don't ask y'all. But he also wanted like a 30 or a 27. I got him 27 because it's more of a highlight, more of a blondish look the guys are wearing nowadays. 30 is not. That's more feminine, I guess. But he want to be like everybody. Not me. Give me that burgundy look. I don't want blonde. I want throwback burgundy. Oh, shoot. This is a confusing one. I had to, like, look at it. But, yeah, y'all, he gonna be locked. But, he gonna be longer locked. Yeah, he gonna like these. Yeah, make sure because the bottom be. So anywho, disregard the top because the top is gonna be the one that's connecting this to his actual hair. The bottom, I'm pretty sure he don't want curls, so I'll probably be cutting them enough. Or I'm gonna try to see if I can go this way and interlock that side, so that way it's not as curly as it is here. I don't know why it's curly, but the hair is kinky, so of course you're gonna get a curly look. But you guys seen with your own eyes from this small batch to this. The girl that showed me, she had an 8-inch hair, and from that 8-inch hair, it turned out like this too. So that's what makes me like, okay, this one pack is enough. So I picked up two. I picked the one that had a blend with the 27 and just in 1B and in a 1B pack. But yeah, and that's the result. So if you guys can like, subscribe, share, do your thing, get that bell going, and I'll have more content. It's a lot of videos already attached to our page, but if you, like I said, if you could subscribe, that'd be great, and thank you so much.